Hello friends, in this tutorial we will see how to separate presentation logic and the code. So go to the Solution Explorer and add new item and select web form. Below select place code in a separate file. This will create separate file for the coding. Change the name of the page separate example and click on add. Now go to Solution Explorer. We can see separate example is added to our solution, and when we expand that separate solution, it will show separate example.aspx.cs, which is the code file for the separate example.aspx. We can also see in the source code, which is the separate example.aspx. In the beginning we can see code file which is linked to this or source code file. This is because we want to link our various elements as controls to our code file. So as we have discussed in previous example, same example I will do in this tutorial but using a separate code file. So let's do once again. Go to design view, press enter, go to toolbox, get a one label, set a property of label to any LBL SAP. Now add a set the property of button to hit me and double click on the button. We can see the separate code file is generated, the event button1 underscore click. In previous example we have seen that the code is generated in same source code file, but in this example we can see that the code is generated in separate file called separate example.aspx.cs. Now we will change the property of label lblsep.text is equal to anything we want to print. This is example, and let's save by Ctrl S and run Ctrl F5. Let's hit the button. You can see the property of label is changed. Thank you.